Hey guys, I just wanted to show you this quick functionality in Google Docs that you might even know about, but I find it useful for this kind of document management. And it's a different way to save versions of the same document, but like in the same file. So if you see, this is the program logic model, and I'm going to resolve the outstanding comments so that the document is ready to go. Uh, Good one's J. And then I'm going to delete this last thing. Boom. So this sort of is going to be our final. I'm going to go to version history, see current version history, and you'll see over here on the right, most of them are just dates, but then some of them have a name. So I'm going to change this one to deliverable. And now you can see if I click on final edits, I can see what this looked like before, and if I even go back to like final inputs, it's even a farther back version. So basically, we don't have to create a whole bunch of different versions to see, or we don't have to create a bunch of different versions of the same file. And also, I can click on only show named versions, and that squishes it down to just the ones that we have given names to. Then I'll go back to the main thing. And that's it. Okay, bye.